Have you ever had a great business idea, personal brand, or website concept, but didn't know how to secure your own domain name? Well, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy a domain on GoDaddy, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know how to choose the right domain, avoid common mistakes, and register your domain in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what a domain name actually is. A domain name is simply your website's address on the internet. For example, google.com, amazon.com, or yourbrand.com. Think of it as your digital home address. Without a domain, people won't know where to find your website. Now let's move to the actual process. Go to GoDaddy's website and use the domain search bar on the homepage. Type the name you want for your business, brand, blog, portfolio, or online store. For example, if your brand name is TechLaunch, you can search for techlaunch.com. GoDaddy will instantly check whether that domain is available or already taken. If it's available, great. If not, GoDaddy will usually suggest alternative domain extensions such as .net, .co, .io, or other variations. Before purchasing, keep these simple rules in mind. Keep it short and easy to remember. Avoid numbers and special characters. Choose something that is easy to spell. Whenever possible, try to get a .com domain because it's still the most recognized extension worldwide. A good domain should be easy to type, easy to remember, and connected to your brand. Once you find an available domain, click Add to Cart. Now, GoDaddy may offer additional services such as domain protection, professional email, website builder, hosting packages. For beginners, you can skip most of these extras if your only goal is to secure the domain. Just focus on purchasing the domain first. You'll be asked how many years you want to register the domain for. Many people choose 1 year initially. However, if you're serious about your brand or business, registering for multiple years can provide peace of mind and reduce the risk of losing the domain later. Create a GoDaddy account if you don't already have one. Enter your billing details, choose your preferred payment method, review everything carefully, and click Complete Purchase. Congratulations, you now officially own your domain name. But before you leave, here's an important tip. Many beginners focus only on the initial registration price and forget to check the renewal price. A domain may look very cheap in the first year, but renew at a higher rate later. Always review renewal costs before purchasing. Many experienced website owners recommend comparing domain pricing, privacy features, and renewal fees before committing to any registrar. The goal isn't just to buy a domain cheaply today, but to manage it affordably in the long term. Once you've purchased your domain, you can connect it to a WordPress website. Domain on GoDaddy is actually much simpler than most beginners think. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's planning to launch a website or online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.